This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Look here on my screen. What I'm going to give you here is a way to basically get paid. You're going to copy and paste the website that I'm going to give you in this video here. And this site that I'm going to show you have paid over $256 million, right? So imagine getting a piece of the pie. And the great thing about it is for newbies, it's worldwide, and it's for people like you that's trying to make money out of the online, trying to get out of the ghetto, trying to get from that 9-to-5 job, and understand that making money online is a real deal. Now listen, before we get started here, in life, you don't get what you want out of life, you get what you picture. First site that you need to go to right now is EmpireFlippers.com. That's EmpireFlippers.com. So if you look at this site here, and they're pretty new, people are selling websites right now for millions of dollars. So imagine posting a website that I'm going to give you. I'm going to show you exactly what to do to get some of this money here, and someone buying it for $200,000, $81,000, $400,000 here. And I know what you're thinking, why would a person do that? And I'm going to explain that as you watch the video to the very end, and don't miss out, because I have something special that I'm going to show you here that's going to blow your mind. So check it out. EmpireFlippers.com is basically a site where you're going to put your website that I'm going to give you. I'm going to show you exactly what to do, and you basically sell it, and they're going to pay you. And as you can see here, they're paid out over $256 million. Can you imagine? What would you do with that money? Like, would you take care of your parents? Would you go to Bora Bora, go to Vegas? Would you go to, buy clothes, buy some shoes? I don't know. But what I'm telling you is this. It is very easy to make money online as long as you pay attention and follow everything that you hear in this video here, okay? Because I used to be just like you, searching online, and I didn't know anything about these websites here. But what I want to do is I want to pay it forward, so pay attention here. Now, listen. You click on sell your site, okay? And you want to click on list your online business. Listen, you don't have to have an online business at all. You don't need to go get a website. I'm going to show you where to get the website so you'll be able to sell and make money online like today. But all you need to do is click that blue button now, okay? And you're going to go to a page like this. Now, listen, right now, I want you to leave the page like this right now. Comment below if you're at this page on your laptop as you're watching the video here, because we need to come back to this page. This is very important. So many people at this point, they stop and they never make money because they either fast forward through the video or they just get too confused. Listen, leave the page just like this. Is very important while you're listening to everything that you hear in this video here. Because listen, you're going to the land of paradise, my friend. Now listen, the next site is Flipper.com. Flipper.com has been around for a while, right? And basically, they're the #1 marketplace to buy and sell domains, apps, SaaS stuff, digital services all over the planet here. But we're going to do something sneaky here, okay? Please don't tell anybody, and I'm going to share it with you right now. And I know what you guys are thinking. Wesley, is it okay to smash the like button now? Yes, let's go! Smash that like button. Obliterate that like button right now, because I'm about to show you how some of the largest internet marketers on the planet, what they do without working a ton, and they continue to make millions of dollars here, okay? Look, so these are websites as well where people post and they buy. But these folks have been around for a while. But these guys here, they're new, right? So they don't know about these guys here. So this is what you want to do, okay? You want to scroll down. You want to make sure you get yourself in a free account. As you see, I have my account right here. You want to scroll down, because what you're going to do is you're going to find very, very cheap domains like this. $25, $200, $200. So hit the see more button here, okay? If you're with me, smash the like button. I mean, that's the only way I'll know that you're listening to me, big head. So smash the like button or comment below that I'm giving massive value right now, okay? So look here, $25. So these people right now, and this is important here, listen close. They are selling domains for $25, $200, $200, $150. Remember, this site is a premium site here. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we're going to find something within our budget, and we're going to take a domain like this for $30, and we're going to take that and put it here and sell it for $300. I'm telling you, it works all day long. I'm telling you guys. Now you may say, well, Wesley, how is that possible? Why would someone do that? Listen, many of you wear Gucci, Versace, Louis Vuitton, right? But at the end of the day, it's just a shirt that costs $10. But as soon as they put that label on it, right? Put that emblem, that Versace emblem, it's $900, but the shirt only costs $10 to make. So that's what we're doing here, okay? So listen, what you want to do is this. You want to click on view listing. Let's say if we take this one, it's $15. And what we're going to do is, even though it's listed for $15, we're going to sell it for about $200, $300 here. As you can see here on the site, you can buy it now for $1,400, right? So that lets you know what is the value of the site itself. So when you pull it over here, right, when you do this for free on this site, you're going to see how people are going to go. They're going to be clicking on it. They're going to want to buy it. And it's insane. It's just an easy, fast way to make some money here. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. It is an investment, right? You got to pay $15. If you ain't got $15, then I don't know what to tell you, right? But you're going to purchase this, and this is what you're going to do. Let's say, let's get something else. How many of you want to make more money? Smash the like if you want more money. You know what? I'm going to do something cool for you. Let's take this for $110. Now, home theater seats, I know that this is very popular on this site right here, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take something that's already popular on Empire Flippers to make sure I get people to buy it fast. Does that make sense? Some people, when they post their sites within 24 to 48 hours, man, it gets bought, okay? So we're going to click here, for instance, here, for example, and what I'm going to do is here, okay? Since this is the site and this is what I'm going to buy, I'm going to scroll down here, okay? I'm looking at it, okay? It looks good. Looks nice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to purchase this, okay? I'll purchase this. I'll contact the seller, get it for $110, right? And then what I want to do is when I'm going through here, when I'm setting up the profile on empireflippers.com, getting ready to sell it, right? So I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to say this is a service here, okay? And you put the site here. And it's hometheaterseats.com. See what I'm doing here? Hometheaterseats.com. Are you guys with me here? Right, this you put the 19. What time? When did the business start making money here? You just put 19 here. All you want to do is copy all the information that you see here. Everything that you see here, you want to transfer over to here. Does it make sense? Everything. And then once you're done, right, you're going to post it on the site. And you're going to sell it for, since it's selling here for $110, but it's valued at $1,400, I'm going to sell it for $500. Listen, imagine making $400 just by selling this site. You didn't have to build a site. You didn't have to program anything. You just basically did what is called domain flipping. This is how many people are making money online. 18-year-olds, 16-year-olds, young people, people in your 20s. People, I had a guy email me 2 days ago, say, Wesley, I watched your video about these sites here, this copy and paste it, and it really works. And this guy made over $500 and he spent $50 buying the site on Flipper. Listen, it works and it works fast. Hey guys, I love you so much. Remember, I have more videos every single day that I post just for you to make money online. I'll leave 2 videos, boom, right here, as you can see on the screen. Remember something. You can do it and you must do it. This is Wesley, $1 billion version. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go. Ah.